I wouldn't do that, Mom.
Shine the light in a little bit different. Oh, in there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
All right, Dad.
All right,
Let's do
Sean,
this
flush
thing.
it.
Don't push it down. Yeah, don't push it down, Dad. Don't be a dumb person. When it runs up, we can catch it. Like, when it runs up, scoop it. Don't squish it.
There it is. There it is. Who's got the net?
He's... Go. Catch it. I can't reach that.
Well, we know the thing can fly now.
Okay, Psycho. Can you get the bucket, please? He's gonna poop all. No, just wait. We'll grab the bucket, okay? Sean, I'll get it.
Hey, Sean.
What did you think of that, Jonas?
That was freaky and messed up.
Here, I'll get the bucket down.
Let Dad get it.
Watch.
No, let Dad get the bucket.
Get it.
No, you're not. You're gonna hit it. It's gonna start flying around.
Let Dad grab the bucket.
Good thing is, don't poop.
Good thing you have such a tiny net.
It's the biggest net we could find. Come here, little feller.
Go ahead, poop on my new table placemats.
Yeah, do it.
Get it, Sean. Get it.
Get the net.
Get it, Sean.
Give me the net. Give me the net.
You like that spot, don't you?
Just lift the bucket down. You guys are a bunch of pansies.
I wish I could get out. It's gonna fly. Take cover.
He caught it. Good job, Dad.
Is this surprising? I mean, if you stay calm, maybe you might get it.
Nice job. Macy.
No, leave it right there. It's not squishing out. Let's get outside.
That is so not Zion.
That is not Zion. Zion is like this big
Robin.
now.
It's a robin. We had a
Let's
robin.
go outside.
Here, I'll take it.
Go.
Let's go right now.
It's a baby falcon. Oh my gosh.